When we're bored, especially when there's no internet connection, we always look the ingredients in the products and think, paano nila to nagawa? Also, the ingredients of elements that combine that we are unfamiliar with. Look at these examples. Are you familiar with them? I guess not. So let's proceed. These active ingredients are elements or combination of elements that we can call compounds. The elements come together, they react with each other, and form chemical bonds that are difficult to break. The letters and numbers that you see is called a chemical formula. Chemical formula is an expression that states the number and type of atoms present in a molecule of a substance. The type of atom is given using element symbols. The number of atoms is indicated by a subscript following the element symbol. As you can see in sodium hydroxide chemical formula, there is no number of atoms since sodium, oxygen, and hydrogen has only one atom. In writing chemical formulas, the least electronegative elements is listed first and the most electronegative ones is listed last. As you can see, sodium has least electronegative values compared to oxygen and hydrogen. Also, sodium is metal that tends to be more positive, while oxygen and hydrogen tends to be more electronegative because it is non-metal. Another example, carbon is also non-metal, so carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen are same non-metals but they have different electronegative values. Did you notice in sodium hydroxide why oxygen is listed first and hydrogen is listed last? Isn't oxygen should be listed last since it has more electronegative value than hydrogen? Same with ascorbyl palmitate. In sodium hydroxide, the hydroxide has an oxygen with a negative charge and hydrogen with a positive charge. Sodium has a positive charge, so it is more closely held to oxygen because positive and negatives attracts. In ascorbyl palmitate, the Hill system states the carbon atoms are listed first, hydrogen atoms next, and all others are then listed in alphabetical order. The reason for putting carbon and hydrogen up front is because there are so many hydrocarbon molecules. If the formula contains no carbon, then all the elements including hydrogen are listed alphabetically. That's all for today because I will read these interesting ingredients in this product. So, bye!